everyone, hope you've all had a lovely bank holiday weekend and celebrated VE Day. Welcome back to a Year 2 Spelling and Phonics session, and Miss Lake up with you. We're just going to warm up by looking at some sounds. We're just going to recap over them. You'll have done them quite a few times before, so just say the sound that you see pop up on screen. Let's go. Well done. So we are now going to read and have a go at spelling this week's words. You can join in with this either by grabbing a pen and paper and writing down your spellings, or you can just use your voice and say them out loud. Now this week's keywords, this week's spellings are keywords, and we use them quite a lot in day-to-day speech and in our writing. So we're going to read them, and then we're going to take part in the look, say, cover, write, check method to help us spell them. Okay, let's take a look at them for this week. Okay, let's start from the top. Pour, money, eye, great, break, steak. And again from the bottom, steak, break, great, pour, money, eye. Well done. Okay, I'm just going to give you a little bit of time to have a look at those words. There's something similar with 3 of them. What do you notice that's the same in 3 of these spellings? Excellent, good spot. Did you say these bottom 3 words? They each have the A sound in with the EA digraph. So great, break, steak. Okay, so each of them have the EA digraph. So remember, each of these words have the EA digraph in. And also I just want you to draw your attention to this word eye. This is the word eye for eyeball, eyes, eyesight. Okay, 3 letters, E-Y-E. Not how you would write, I went to the park. Okay, so let's get spelling them. So have a good go at spelling this week's words. First up, pour, pour. Have a go at writing or saying the spelling pour. Are you ready to check? Pour, P-O-O-R, pour. Money, money. Are you ready to check the spelling of money? M-O-N-E-Y, money. I. Let's check the spelling of I. Nice one, 3 letters, E-Y-E, I. Next up, great, great. Remember that digraph. Are you ready to check the spelling? Great, G-R-E-A-T, great. Next one, break, break. Are you ready to check? Break, B-R-E-A-K, break. Steak, steak. Love a good steak. Are you ready to check the spelling of steak? S-T-E-A-K, steak. Well done. So now it's time to do some reading. So we've got some sentences going to be flashed up on the screen and they contain this week's spelling words. However, I have removed the punctuation. So what I'd also like you to do, once you've read it, what punctuation mark would you use? So think about what kind of sentence it is, because that will help you know which punctuation to use. So have a go reading the sentence and then saying out loud what punctuation mark you would put at the end. If you need any extra time in reading, just pause the screen and then come back to me once you're ready. Okay, let's go. Excellent reading, everyone. Well done. Okay, I've got a little puzzle for you here. I've written 3 words, but I have removed the first letter. So what is the missing letter? So I'll give you a couple of minutes to read and have a think what the missing letter is, and then we'll go through it together. Okay, have you solved those? So I will help you read them. Vision. Vision. So what letter did you get for the beginning of vision? Did you get a T for television? Well done. Next one. Dition. What letter did you get to put the front of dition? Well done if you spotted it's A for addition. So an A needs to go at the front. And last but not least, subtraction. What letter goes at the beginning of subtraction? Well done. Hope you spotted it. Another maths bit there. It's an S for subtraction. Well done, everyone. And that is the end of our phonics session. If you would like to go on to some phonics writing, I'm just going to go on to the next slide just to recap over the things to include. Okay. Don't worry if you don't want to take it on into phonics writing. That's absolutely fine. You might want to do a little bit verbally. But if you do want to do some writing, remember, if you are writing a statement sentence, have a go at including conjunctions in them. So this extends your sentence and gives it extra detail. You might even want to get some adjectives in. But the conjunctions I definitely want you to look at are because, also, if, or, but, so, when, that, and although. But that's a tricky one. Remember to read your sentence back and check. And that's when you can spot if there's any errors that you just need to change. You can then edit your work, okay? And that's a really good skill to edit your own work, but you can only spot them if you read your sentence back. So just do your best. Anything is fine. If you want to do some verbally, that's great. Or if you just want to do a couple of sentences, that's still fabulous too. So just have a go. We're really proud when you have a go, year 2. Okay, that takes us to the end of our phonics and spelling session. Well done for joining in, and I will see you next time. Bye.